Pasyalan ka naman mga kapatid.
Suddenly from one, you gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. If it is yours, I never know, but all the years I have with you, I won't wait. I give up my life, my heart, my home. I will give you everything I am, just to have you back again. It hurts me that you left what you said, what you saw. You never said to me to tell you so good I knew. Nobody else compares.